Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you this simple but wonderful groove. All right, so quickly I'll break it down in the key of C sharp or D flat. First of all, this groove is played in interludes. That is, after a call and response, you play the groove until another song comes in. So quickly, let's go to the keyboard. But before we go to the keyboard, if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell. Please do so. Subscribe. It helps me a lot. It helps the channel a lot. Please do so that I can keep on giving you new tutorials. All right, so let's go in the key of D flat. All right, so for the right hand, I'm playing that's all. So do la re ti la do, or 5 1 6 2 5 7 6 1 for the right hand. Then my left hand just plays the same groove on the left hand, and it goes like this: 1 3 4 2 1. Do mi fa re do mi fa re do. So that's what your left hand is going to play from beginning to the end, while your right hand plays do la re ti la do. Then the next part of the groove is just a change, and I'm playing that change or that variation on my right hand. So it goes like this. So do so mi re ti fa mi re do so mi re ti fa mi re do so mi re ti fa mi re do. That's in numbers: 1 5 3 2 7 4 3 2 1. So simple. Now let's add that. So make sure you practice both hands. First practice one hand before you practice the other hand, then you add the two together. So it goes like this. See? 1 2. So slowly. Sorry. Now the next part. And if you play it in a normal tempo, it goes like this. Now go and practice that and add that to your groove. Enjoy, guys. So if you know you haven't subscribed to the channel, I say it again, about 70% of my viewers haven't subscribed to this channel. Please do so please, by subscribing and helping the channel out. Let's get to 20k subscribers before the end of the year. Thank you and God bless you. See you in the next tutorial.